See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think in the comment section.
People rats. Sorry. You are too much. They don't reach you now. You are no. I'm sorry. These are not rats. These are not rats. This is too much. Rats. They don't reach rats. Una no reach rats. You don't understand? Una no reach rats. Una small pass rats. That's why all the nonsense we una oga. You don't go they delete. Na liar. Okay, but just say. You guys can never do anything and stand on it. Now they always fire. I don't say I go deep. Now go this is what we do now small. I go deal with you now. I don't they prepare am. Now go soon hear the news. Boom. Like on board. Big boom. Now we begin beg, they begin cry. Now begin beg, they begin cry. If they born on our way, I never seen. Why would I never try? I wanna gather on herself. Because okay, now you won't even bring me to the last thing I want to talk for here. Where annoy me because even VDM said this shit. When I say he come as I come fight for me, because I don't see where VDM fight for me. VDM say no insult fella, insult Ṣeun. What kind of friend will say people should go and insult his friend? And don't insult fella na baba, insult Ṣeun. In brother said come as I yesterday. He used a different word. When I don't insult baba fella, go after Ṣeun. Go after who, motherfucker? In the words of the immortal Bernie Mac, I ain't scared of you motherfuckers. In the words of the immortal Bernie Mac, I ain't scared of you motherfuckers. Una know me face to face now. See how the person way go after who? Is this a trend? Are we trying to go there? See, the ground one I go land. This one I go come back and I go stand up again. Don't say I go stand up, I'm going to tweet the next day. Say nobody go stand up. Mona try am. Because this is getting fucking ridiculous. You fucking rats. Why am I calling them rats? I've said sorry rats. You fucking, I don't know, call you you cowards, bro. Go after Ṣeun. Bro, you say I push over that face for my house. I put one friend face, I don't put. Now give me money, take big house. Now give me inside, look, I don't talk the amount before tax people come find me. I beg, you give me money. What kind of sense of entitlement be that talk when you talk? Because you they come my house with video, you they chop for my house. You don't taste my pepper, you don't taste my salt. When I come my house, they stop when I forget. VDM has come to my house. So we never sleep my house before. But VDM don't sleep my house before yet. So we will come the vest now because VDM don't sleep my house, never sleep my house. What kind of childish nonsense is this? Do you know my relationship with Ṣeun? I've known Ṣeun for longer than VDM has been alive. Say, put one friend face. You know, put it, now speak inside. For my house, where I build with my money, now try you. This one pass you. It really pass you. It really pass you. So may they go after Ṣeun. Please come after me. I dare you, motherfuckers. I dare you. I triple, million, quadruple, thousand pool, 1 million pool, 10 million pool. I want one. I need it, bro. I want one of you to please come. Ewa. Egberanyiwa. Egberanyiwa, man. Please. I beg of you. Go after Ṣeun. Don't talk about that. Leave fella out of it. Go after Ṣeun. Go after Ṣeun with what? With what? More than do exposing Ṣeun Kuti now. Now not go do that one too. Go after Ṣeun. Are you mad? Are you mad? Prof, watch your mouth, man. I don't say that they try to save face, they do what they do. Do what you're doing. There's no point in time where I mention your brother name or any of my name, I can stand for Showore at any point in time. I'm not you people's what can I share them? What did they happen?